Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Snapchat sound not working in iPhone or any Android. If you are using any iPhone or any Android phone and you're facing the issue that your Snapchat video sound or any type of Snapchat sound is not working, so let's see some possible fixes. So the very first thing is that you just have to check your network connection, that you have a stable and a strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data, or you can also try to enable or disable airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here and open your app store, go for search for Snapchat, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your Snapchat app. If you find any pending updates like that, try to update your app. And after updating, you have to go back and you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so you have to open your settings app, go for very first go for sound and haptics. Here's sound and haptics. If you find the silent mode enabled, you just have to disable this, and then you have to maximize your ringtone or alerts from here. Once you have maximized your ringtones, you just have to go back from here, and then you have to go for apps, and then select your Snapchat app from here. And here you have to enable all the toggles for your Snapchat app. And after doing that, go back. I recommend you have to make a software update. So go for general, go for software update. And you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software updates for your iPhone. If you find, try to update your software. And after that, your issue must be fixed. If it's still not fixed, so you just have to go back, open your settings app again, go for general, go for iPhone storage, and here look for what's Snapchat. Very first, I recommend you have to try to make a force restart your iPhone. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button. Wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And after restarts, your issue must be fixed. So after restarting, you just have to unlock your phone and you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so there's the only way. Simply open the settings app, go for general, go for iPhone storage, look for Snapchat app here, and you have to try to offload your app. You can also try to delete apps. After offloading or deleting, your issue will be fixed. It took some time. It might be that there will be any bug or any malware into your Snapchat app. It will be fixed in the steps, so you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.